Speaking on the issue, the leader of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, pointed out to the environmental clearance that was done by the Environment Minister in the absence of detailed documents. He also asked the Environment Minister, Alexo Sequeira, to provide an assurance that he would not allow the same to happen in the future.
Ask Environment Ministry to put up all the details in the certificate. You don't accept otherwise. त्यातून उत्तरान सांगला 28 सोडून खंयच्याच एनवायरमेंट क्लिअरन्सान सर्वे नंबर ना, TC नंबर ना, काय ना. हांव आमकां जर तूं सादी मिस्टेक आसत जाल्यार दे पनिश. The department will not accept the certificate. If I put a small extra room also, they will say that my permission is invalid. And येदे व्हडले mining, how it goes without proper permission? Will you ensure, at least now direct environment to ensure that certificates, unless they are properly received directly from the mining ministry, they should not clear. I mean, they should not allow anything further here.
Point raised by the leader of opposition. I will try my best to ensure that whatever you have suggested regarding waiting for the original copy, okay, then only we implement, then only do we move forward to issue the consent for, to establish both under the Air Act and Water Act.
Mr. Parrikar was also able to get an assurance from the Environment Minister, Alexo Sequeira, that he would not allow any central environmental clearance to start mining activities in forests without consulting the State Forest Department.
Speaker, अनेक मुद्दा हाडून दाखयता की Environment Ministry themselves have issued a press note and information that the proposals where forest land is a part of the project site, prior forest clearance is essential before forwarding such projects. Will you direct the board that to follow all the instructions?
Speaker sir, based on an answer we have given, if I am not mistaken, answer question of the leader of opposition. The fact remains that if you go by that answer, I think it's question number 6 if I am not mistaken. If you go by that answer, or 44. 44. If you go by that answer, Speaker sir, the Pollution Control Board has identified forest areas. Environment clearance is granted in forest areas. I've asked the members, the member secretary of the board today itself as to what is happening in those places. He says the board has no role to play. The board just has to forward the minutes of the... No, I'm putting on record what I'm saying.
They cannot even forward the application.
He says...
of minutes.
No, I've been told that the board only forwards the minutes of the public hearing. Beyond that, the board has no role to play whatsoever. So the question of marking all these areas will not arise.
Speaker sir, सांगता ते बरोबर आसा, पण ते केन्ना जेन्ना हियरिंगाची नोटीस येतकूच, पण जेन्ना एप्लिकेशन येता appendix 2am, which is sent to the Environment Ministry through the board, that time, unless there is a forest clearance in case of forestry land, they cannot forward the application.
I will look into this.
The Kurtori MLA, Alex Reginald Lorenzo, was also able to get an assurance from the Environment Minister, Alexo Sequeira, for taking action against illegal mining in the state.
I want just assurance from the Minister that all the conditions in the environment clearance, will they be strictly followed? I just want to know, and what action he will take as far as illegal mining is concerned. My two questions, I want an assurance from the Minister.
As far as illegal mining is concerned, I think the government has powers under Section 5 of the Environment Act to take action. As far as Pollution Control Board is concerned, I will, as I said earlier, I will try my best to ensure the wishes, the views expressed by you all are implemented.
Shop owners in Margao owing allegiance to the Margao Harijan Sangatana down their shutters today in protest against the use of the word Chamar by the leader of the opposition, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, on the floor of the House yesterday.
Around 30 shops and 80 shoe shine boys who are members of the Margao Harijan Sangatna observed a protest bandh today. According to the Sangatna, the leader of the opposition, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, must realize that his remark in the House has hurt the sentiments of the long-suppressed community of scheduled castes and demanded that Mr. Parrikar apologize for the utterance of the word Thamar.
जे असेंब्ली भितर आमचे एक्स CMन जो शब्द वापरलेलो चामार म्हणून तेज्या बद्दल आमी काल निषेध व्यक्त केलो आनी काल आमी डिक्लेअर केल्ले की आज आमचे जे समाजाचे जितली दुकान आसतली तितली बंद दवरतली म्हणून ते हेजेर आमी आज सगळ्यांनी आमचे नानी भावांनी सगळ्यांनी आज टोटल 100% आज बंद दवरलेले आहा.
The members of the Sangatna also held a morcha in the capital this afternoon. The members gathered at the Babasaheb Ambedkar Park in the city and marched towards the assembly complex. However, their march was stopped on the Panjim side of the Mandovi bridge by the police.
Mullah Parikar! Mullah! Mullah Parikar! Mullah! Mullah Parikar! Mullah! Babu Azgarkar! Mullah! Babu Azgarkar!
Gangaram Morachkar, President Goa State Scheduled Caste Federation, explained the reasons for the peaceful morcha.
Word that is Samba. This word is not as per the Atrocity Act cannot be repeated. So that's why we decided to have a morcha nishesh against that. But we have not given memorandum against this offence. If we had given memorandum today to government, naturally that inquiry will going on. And that section is a punishable section. Sambar, whenever you repeat the caste, Sambar Mahar, this untouchable, which is offense.
We'll spill into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. In the olden days, the potters designed and sculpted Ganesh idols. However, with commercialization, the clay idols have given way to the idols made of plaster of Paris, and this has virtually displaced the traditional artisans.
The immersion of Ganesh idols made of plaster of Paris negatively affects the environment, and hence the state government came up with an act that bans the manufacture and sale of these idols. However, due to the low price and affordability of these idols, there is a huge demand for the plaster of Paris idols. In a bid to cater to these demands and paying scant heed to the law, a few traders still sell these plaster of Paris idols. On the 21st of August, Goa 365 had carried a story about the abundant availability of plaster of Paris Ganesh idols in and around Mapsa. Last evening, the additional collector of Panjim, Swapnil Naik, raided 4 shops selling Ganesh idols made of plaster of Paris and seized 20 idols from the shop owners. Swapnil Naik led a team of officials from the Revenue Department in search of outlets selling plaster of Paris idols and booked 4 persons under Section 5 of the Environment Protection Act. A few shops were sealed when the inspection was in progress.
Voicing protest against the receipt of a letter from the Superintendent of Police, Mr. Shekhar Prabhudesai, over the illegalities of the protest march, members of the Margaon Citizens Welfare Committee yesterday called on the South Goa SP.
Speaking to Goa 365, the CWC convener, Mr. Sanjeev Raiturkar, gave us the reasons that prompted the CWC to call on the SP South, Shekhar Prabhudesai.
पुलीस स्टेशनार आयिल्ले इतले सांगपाक की आमकां कळ्ळें की आमचेर कंप्लेनी घाल्या आनी आमचो जो पळय पदयात्रा आशिल्ली ती इल्लीगल म्हळ्या जाल्यार ती जर इल्लीगल आशिल्ली जाल्यार आमकां ज्यो ज्यो NOC पुलिसी कडल्यान मेळ्ळ्या ट्रॅफिका कडल्यान मेळ्ळ्या त्यो आसून सुद्दां आमी जेन्ना SDMाक दिल्यो आनी SDMांची कर्तव्य आसा की इदर ही हॅज टू एक्सेप्ट इट ऑर रिजेक्ट इट वाय SDM हॅज केप्ट हिज माउथ मम वी कन्सिडर इट हॅज बीन गिवन आनी आतां आमकां तर फॅब्रिकेट करता की आमी कम्युनल डिसहार्मनी केली कित्याक मडगांवकारांक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की कम्युनल डिसहार्मनी केल्या काय करूं ना ती.
Mr. Raiturkar, CWC convener, questioned the SP South as to why he had not booked various ministers for holding morchas and dharnas while he had booked him for the same.